155 PCs Car Wire Routing Clips Kit. Our auto wire routing clips kit includes 100 PCs, contains 5 different sizes car clips and 55 PCs car cable ties for Honda GM Mazda's car trim panels, door trims, door panels, bumpers, fender clips, hood and splash guard retainer replacement. Satisfy everything you need to save you time and money. Most common sizes. Our auto clip wire loom routing clips rivets are made of nylon material for precise replacement. Don't worry about lost or damaged body fasteners. Suitable for most of the car use. Durable material. Our wire harness routing clip assortment set are made of high-quality material. More stronger, robuster and vibration-resistanter, would not break or crack easily. Universal fit for Nissan. The car body clips are sized and shaped to fit your requirements. Meet all your needs. Satisfaction. Please check the size of the product's pictures, type and shape to make sure the item is the one that you need. If you or you have any problems, take time to contact with us. Top reviews from the United States. So many uses. I love this kit. I purchased this kit to replace cable stays that I damaged when stripping my engine compartment. I replaced those and started using the strap clips for other hoses. I love this kit. It gives your engine compartment an OEM look.